Hey everyone, for today's video I'll be doing a room tour of the Senator Resort when I stayed there recently. So if you want to see one of their standard rooms, then just keep on watching. This is one of their standard rooms. So when you come in through the door, there is a closet and it's very spacious and it has a safe in there as well. And then on the other side, there is an iron board, an iron, and lots of space to hang your clothes. And then right beside it is a little coffee bar as well as a mini fridge. And then right in front of that is a full-length mirror, and then the washroom is over here. It's a good spacious size, very nice, everything that you need. And then going into the room, there's an area to put your luggage and store it there, and over here is the TV. There's a sitting area over here as well as a balcony. And then we have a king-size bed. And that's the room. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and stay tuned for a review on this resort. And if you have any questions about that, leave it down below. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.